There was a time when machine costs were by far the largest expense a manufacturing company had. But with rising labor costs, all that changed. Now, make no mistake, machinery is still pretty expensive. But today, the companies that are more efficient with their workers are the ones that are doing better. And the companies that can maximize the efficiencies of both man and machine are the ones that will prosper most of all. Hilma, a division of Carlane-Romheld based in St. Louis, Missouri, is the leader of the creation of quick die change technology for the metal stamping industry. And now Hilma is pleased to show you how the same technology that has revolutionized the die changeover process for metal stamping has now been incorporated in the plastics and rubber industry for the quickest mold changes ever. In this day and age, when every manufacturer wants to achieve just-in-time production or a 1 to 2 day inventory, certain steps in the manufacturing process need to be designed and met to achieve this. It has been well documented what Hilma's quick die change technology has done for the metal stamping industry. The second type of Hilma quick mold change system is powered by traditional hydraulics, but provides the same dramatic benefits to the manufacturer. A leading plastic manufacturer, along with the staff of Hilma, work together to achieve its goals.
Now, the reason for all of this, if you are running 40 different tools and it only takes you 2 minutes a piece, that is 80 minutes, an hour and 20 minutes. That means I can change 40 tools in the time it takes you to change one. It means I don't need inventory. Our inventory is measured in hours or days instead of weeks and months.
All facets of the project were taken into account. Present method of changeover, the injection molding machine itself, and designing a mold clamping system and transfer rails with a minimum of retrofit work. As always, the safety of the hydraulic clamping system was of concern to the customer. Prior to the installation of the quick mold change system, a typical mold change took 2 men, a tow motor, a step ladder, and up to 2 hours to change a 2,000-pound mold. After the installation of the Hilma system, complete mold changeover requires only 1 man and less than 5 minutes. The ladder and tow motor are no longer needed. And according to the senior mold designer at the manufacturer, safety has increased 100-fold. In fact, the new mold changeover process is so fast, we can show it to you now in its entirety.
Press is opening, it's making its last good piece. We've started our timer, and at this point the setup man is going in and spraying both mold halves and wiping it with a mold neutralizer. We're running PVC, and now we are going in and spraying with a mold preservative. Now unhooking our water lines. We'll be closing the gate, closing the tool. Unclamping our hydraulic clamps. Just moving the platen slightly to free the tool. Bringing our empty cart into position. Removing one tool. At the same time, we've just changed our setup card from the old tool to the new one. We're locating our cart, loading the tool, removing the empty cart, hooking our water lines back up, we're closing the gate, we're closing the tool, we're closing our automatic clamps, bringing our injection unit forward. We just shot our first piece and we're at 1 minute 43 seconds. And we'll be stopping our timer at the end of this first good part. Part's been ejected. It is 2 minutes and 0 seconds.
The previously run mold can now be returned to a storage rack, and the next mold to be run moved onto the cart
ready to be used.
We now measure our inventory in hours and days instead of weeks and months. What this is doing, it's taking the figure on your P&L statement from the inventory and it's moving it up to the cash position.
The Hilma Quick Mold Change System has proven so successful that several additional mold machines have been converted, helping the manufacturer achieve its goal of becoming a world-class manufacturer of injection molded plastic goods.
The Hilma Hydraulic Quick Mold Change System and the Hilma Quick Mold Change Magnetic Clamping System. Two revolutionary technologies that can take your business to the next level. To find out how the Hilma Quick Mold Change Systems can help your mold changeover process become safer and more efficient than you ever thought possible, contact your Hilma representative today.